Hey folks, how you doing? Oh man, and in the land of grills, we got the expert grill from Walmart. Picked this up for 195 bucks, 770 square inches on this pellet grill, folks. Done some mods. You're looking at them right now. Shelf, the painted it, the temp probes, put some felt around it, folks. We're gonna try some pizza tonight. Just some take and bake on this pellet grill, and I hope you keep on watching. Got it set for 425, and we got a stone in there. Yeah, we got pellets. Yeah, and we're gonna keep on going here. And tell you what, let's take a look at the pizza, and then we'll get her on. All right, there's our take and bake. If you haven't heard of Papa Murphy's, and I know they're not nationwide, but these are the best. And they've got this little cardboard thing. We're gonna put this right on top of that stone. And once it gets to the point where I can shake it off the cardboard thing, I'll put it on the stone, and then we'll brown up the bottom, give you a look-see at the grill. All right, starting to come up to temp here on the expert grill. You can see I put these two mods in as, and the one next to there runs a little bit cooler than the one over here. And I've seen that a couple times now. So we'll just, you know, it's a good thing to put these on there so you know how your grill is cooking. And with the 425, we'll give her about 5 more minutes, and then we'll take a thermal temp of the pizza stone. Let's see where that's at. All right, folks, we got it set at 425. You can see 426, 427, or even our lid. I don't know if it's because of the stone on there, but a little over 400, closer to 425 on that one. Let's take our thermal here, this thing, and see what the stone's at. Oh, can you see? Oh, there you go. Yeah, we're close enough. So, $195 pellet grill, folks. And we're gonna cook some. I got cherry, I got cherry pellets in there. So, cherry wood fired, take and bake on the expert grill. Cool. All right, folks, 10 minutes in, and you can see we're almost at 425 there, and just a little over 400 there. Both these are reading, and I've got the pizza stone in there, and that's kind of evening things out. It's actually kind of impressive how well it's cooking, and it aligns pretty well with what the temperature on the grill says. Take a look at our pizza there. I'll tell you what, oh, man. Just about ready to come off. Oh yeah, there we go. That'll help firm up that crust and get a little brown on that crust. Give you a look-see. All right, folks, 15 minutes in. Let's take a quick look. Oh man, I'll tell you what, that's looking mighty nice. Oh yeah, that crust is looking really good. About ready to take this off, folks. Give you a look-see once we get it off. On the $195 Walmart expert grill, can you make a good pizza? Oh, it sure looks like it. So I'll give you a look-see. Awesome take and bake on the Walmart pellet grill, folks. I'll tell you what, look at that. Stands up pretty nice. Yeah, I got it a little bit too dark on the backside, but it's still edible. Folks, I'll tell you what, this, if you're wondering, can you make pizza on a affordable pellet grill? Yes, you can. And thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, folks, appreciate you watching. Thank you.